Nitish, this is a message from Nani to you and later for your children. So 14th of May 2017 on Mother's Day, a message from your mom's mom for you. So this is an article which Nani wrote when she was in her intermediate, that is class 12th. It's an article that says, my conception of happiness. So a message for you and later your children. Happiness is a rare thing. You can hardly come across a man who is happy and content. The reason is that our heart is always full of unfulfilled hopes and desires, which are practically endless. She says that her idea of a happy life is simple but practical, and Nani's always been practical. She would like to live a life of moderate comfort and not wasteful and luxurious. On the other hand, a person can never be happy if he suffers from want of money or poverty. A reasonable income, moderate comfort, and freedom from financial worries are some of the factors which make up for one's happy and peaceful life. Further, she believes that happiness arises from doing work according to one's liking. Hence, one should take up a profession in which one is interested and for what one is best suited, so that it is both useful and refreshing. At the same time, she says that man must have time to recoup lost energy and enjoy himself. If a person has to work the whole day earning a livelihood, he cannot remain happy. Similarly, he should find time to take interest in music, in painting, and in other arts, thereby promoting culture, and should ever be anxious to know more about music and other fine arts of East as well as West. So we have a modern thinking Nani. I often think that if some of these ambitions and desires are fulfilled, a person will be happy consequently. Otherwise, the direct quest for happiness is in vain. Happiness is an attitude of the mind. Too many desires and ambitions are the enemy of happiness and peace of mind because they destroy it. And her message for all of us is, in fact, to be usefully busy, to be happy. And there lies the secret of contentment and happiness. From Nani to you, there Nani.